Alright, so today I will be showing you how to make a very simple but healthy dessert. A very simple but healthy dessert with a grand total of just 3 ingredients. 3 ingredients in this healthy, simple dessert. So, what do we need here to make this very simple, healthy dessert? I'm glad you asked. Plain yogurt is ingredient number 1. Honey is ingredient number 2. And last but not least, walnuts. So we take a bowl and we add a few tablespoons of plain yogurt to it. Then we take some of these walnuts, we grind them up a little bit using our hands. Just like that, and then we add it to our bowl of plain yogurt. Looks like that. Then you just take some honey and drizzle that in there. Just like that. And then you just mix it up. And there you have it, a very simple, healthy dessert with just 3 ingredients: plain yogurt, walnuts, and honey. Let's give it a try. Wow. It even tastes healthy.